What is up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing whether you as a solo dev should focus on building one game or should you build out a portfolio of games. If you watch my channel, there's a good possibility that your goal is to be a full-time game dev, to earn money from creating games. That was my goal in the beginning, and I'm grateful that I was able to achieve that goal. So just how was I able to do that? Did I focus in the beginning on building one quality game, or did I build out a whole bunch of games hoping that one or two of them would kind of do well and I could kind of piggyback on those games' successes and build on from there? So to answer that question is, it kind of depends where you are on your game dev journey. You see, in the beginning, when I first started, obviously I had no experience in game dev. I had a little bit of knowledge on marketing through SEO work, but not much on the game front, the game design front of things. So I had no option but to kind of use a shotgun approach, where I just created many simple games as cheaply and as fast as I could, and I was hoping that the 80-20 rule would kick in, and ultimately it did. So for those of you who don't know what the 80-20 rule is, basically if I create, let's say, 10 games, 2 of them will do well, people will enjoy playing them, they'll be favorable in, say, Apple's App Store algorithm, they'll rank nicely, get traffic. So if you look at a portfolio, most publishers, you'll see that out of 10 games, 2 of them or 20% of them are responsible for 80% of the revenue and traffic. And that was exactly what happened to me. So yeah, if you are a beginner, I would use that kind of shotgun approach. Just create MVPs for as cheap and as fast as you can, just to see, to get market validation. And then once you have that, you find those little gems that have potential, then you focus on them, polish them up, optimize the monetization, all of that stuff. However, now I'm in a position where I have the resources and I have kind of the experience to be able to build much higher quality games, also have a better team around me. So yeah, I also have different goals. So in the beginning, I mean, if your goal is to make $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a month, you can do that with this shotgun approach. However, if you want to scale above 7 figures, then you are going to have to focus on one solid game project. So I will spend a lot more time and resources creating better quality games in the hopes that they will be able to scale when I run paid marketing to them. So that is the ultimate goal for me now, is to have a game scale to 7 figures or more. So yeah, that is why it just depends where you are on your game dev journey, because so we have all heard those horror stories of people dumping their savings into one project.
Dreams can begin small. You just have to bet it all. Bet it all!
They're also too scared to share their idea with people to get market validation, so they keep it to themselves and they keep pouring resources into it, and then they release it and ultimately nobody wants to play it, and it kind of tanks and they lose all their money. So that's why I say only do that when you have experience, when you've earned money through smaller projects, you kind of know what the market wants, you have a good team around you giving you good advice, and then you kind of listening to the data. And yeah, it's more of a data driven kind of way to do things. So with the shotgun approach, you just kind of feeling around, seeing what works. If you do want to focus on one project, you are going to need valuable market data to make it a success. So yeah, just depends where you are. Obviously you don't want to be one of these people. I actually knew someone personally that he actually came to me for help because he literally mortgaged his house to be able to fund his app project. And when I took a look at it, I kind of knew that it was not going to be successful, just because the market wasn't big enough for something like that. And yeah, ultimately he did lose most of that money. So yeah, don't be be like that. Just if you're a beginner, you're not sure about things, kind of just take it slowly. Don't put a lot of money into these projects in the beginning, because yeah, you have a big learning curve to go through, and only then when you have the experience, then you can focus on more complex projects that can scale. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments below where you are in your game dev journey. Are you spending most of your time working on one project? If so, how long have you spent on that project, or are you kind of using the shotgun approach like I used in the beginning? Yeah, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. It also motivates me when I hear from you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, you know the drill, smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.